And hello there, 30 Minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is one of the latest 30 Minutes fantasy line. We have the very first monsters to be released in a full kit form. We have the DLRO skeleton, though I don't know really how to pronounce it because of the spelling, DLRO, but I guess it's DLRO skeleton, which reminds me something more of a elvish class in D&D, the Drow elves. Maybe something separate. Okay. Anyway, as you can see in the box art, yes, this is a two kit box wherein we are given with two of those skeletons. And yes, they really look menacing and really undead. Alright, and off to the side, here it is, back and forth, these two skeletons, what you can do with them. Of course, the pole can exchange with different weapons, and of course, you can accessorize them more with using the other parts from, let's say, the item customization, or even the other armor parts or class of armors from the other 30 Minutes Fantasy line. And off to the other side, here it is, front and back, and some story about the skeletons. And yes, this is supposed to tie up with the Necros Knight. Alright. And yes, this is the very first monster, so that's why it has M01. And opening up and seeing what's inside the box, we have one screw with all white. Of course, it's a bony white color because of the skeletons. Probably some new silhouette parts. Another bag with the white, the red, and the grays for the armor, or no, sorry, not the armor, the weapons and other stuff. And here we have it, the instruction manual, wherein this is the draw skeleton, the story of it behind. Uh, huh? Does it say what its affinity is? I don't think there's anything about affinity, but yep, here it is. It shows you that you can dress up the skeletons with the other item customization parts, and I think this is the null because they do have some the core elemental, but it's white. Probably this is the null. Anyway, so let's take a look individually at each of the screws. All right, so first off we have the A sprue, which is all white and all of those skeleton parts, but of course we have two of them. Of course, because this is a double kit. Of course, the B sprue is still white. Again, because of the skeleton and because this is a dual kit, yeah, we have two of them. And then lastly, oh no, sorry, we still have the C sprue, which is all gray. You see the chains and the weapons, and of course, lastly, we have the V sprue, which is a see-through red for the red eyes of the girl skeleton. Yes, and there you have it, 30 Minutes Fantasy. And folks, that was what's inside this 30 Minutes Fantasy Monster Zero One, the Gross Skeleton, and yeah, so it kind of has less parts, but again, you can adapt it, or you can add more parts or armors, make it like a undead knight with the 30 minutes item customization. We already have four, item 5 is coming up. Of course, for the item structure, we have up to two. Number 3 is coming up. To enhance the look and feel of all your 30 minutes fantasy line. And this is Mixer saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, doing other video sharing, and until next time, see you and thank you.